Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best handheld bidet sprayer that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. PerfectZone Bidet Sprayer for Toilet. If you are the sort of a person who doesn't compromise on quality and is ready to shell a little extra, then PerfectZone Bidet Sprayer for Toilet is your choice. They say you either buy a quality product once or buy cheap products every day, the cost comes to same. The new PerfectZone Bidet Sprayer for Toilet comes with best price. It is industry's most trusted, most preferred and quality handheld bidet sprayer, and it considered as gold standard by many users as well as non-users. If you are looking for a long-time investment with a quality handheld bidet sprayer, then don't look beyond PerfectZone Bidet Sprayer for Toilet. The product is featured, highlighted and appreciated in reviews of handheld bidet sprayer in 2020, and this has been backed by many users. At number 4. SmarterFresh Lifetime Handheld Bidet Sprayer. Going ahead with our list, we have something very specific to a specific audience. Yes, SmarterFresh Lifetime Handheld Bidet Sprayer has a very selective audience with specific taste. It satisfies customer expectations, given that your expectations don't cross a limit, and it adds value for money, but more importantly, it adds a style to the user which can be your fashion statement. SmarterFresh Lifetime Handheld Bidet Sprayer is definitely the must-buy for those who need a little of both quality and price efficiency, and as per our analysis, SmarterFresh Lifetime Handheld Bidet Sprayer easily gets the award of Best Handheld Bidet Sprayer under $100. At number 3. Jaypee Bathroom Masters Full Pressure and Leakproof. Jaypee Bathroom Masters Full Pressure and Leakproof Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer Kit is a veteran in the market and has been here for a long time. It offers something of a unique feature which no other competitor offers. While the market is running after Rinse Works, Aqua's 360 patented handheld bidet sprayer, PerfectZone Bidet Sprayer for Toilet, SmarterFresh Lifetime Handheld Bidet Sprayer Jaypee Bathroom Masters Full Pressure and Leakproof Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer Kit has always had loyal customers for that particular feature, and this has safeguarded its market share, and they have successfully been able to keep their longtime users happy. Go for Jaypee Bathroom Masters Full Pressure and Leakproof Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer Kit if you want to try out something of a fusion of new and classic. Fun and interesting fact about handheld bidet sprayer is that even though Jaypee Bathroom Masters Full Pressure and Leakproof Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer Kit is a veteran, the users are mostly younger generation. You can say fashion makes a turn after a century or so and things repeat. At number 2. Brondell Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet. Brondell Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet is a relatively new and late entrant in the market, but surprisingly has surpassed beyond Vecon Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet, which have been in market longer than anyone. Brondell Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet brings you the best of the quality in the lowest possible cost. The best feature of Brondell Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet is what has kept in the market. It certainly makes appearance in reviews of handheld bidet sprayer in 2020 owing to its price penetration strategy in the market. If you own a handheld bidet sprayer, and it could be any of the high-value handheld bidet sprayer, chances are that would be much costlier than Brondell Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet. Brondell Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet will have more than 50% of all its features. At number 1. Abedoe Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer. Abedoe Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer is present in top 10 since a long time. In terms of customer satisfaction and ease of use, Abedoe Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer wins the users. Most of them who buy Abedoe Handheld Bidet Toilet Sprayer once won't buy anything else, although it offers very limited features and specifications. The only reason for brand loyalty is ease of use. This product had a special mention in reviews of handheld bidet sprayer in 2020 for not expanding user base but definitely not losing any. The shift of people from handheld bidet sprayer to any other handheld bidet sprayer is least. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.